In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to back up and restore your data. QuickBooks Online Advanced. By the end, you'll know how to switch backups on, check that they're running, and roll your company file back to a previous point in time when you need to. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online Advanced company with an admin role so you have the right permissions. In the upper right, click the settings icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control your company configuration. On the left side, select the Advanced tab. Scroll until you see the Backup section, then click Backup to open its controls. Turn on backups to enable automated protection for your company data. When you're ready, click Save. That's the key step that activates the feature for your books. Give it a moment to apply your changes. Next, let's go to the Backup dashboard so you can see and manage your backups. Click the Settings icon again in the upper right, and this time choose Backup Company. This opens the area dedicated to your backup history and restore options. Inside the Backup Center, click the Backup to view its details. Here, you can see how many times the system has backed up your data and review the timestamps. This is a great way to confirm everything is running as expected, especially after turning backups on for the first time. When you need to restore your data, locate the specific backup entry you want to use. To the right of that entry, click the drop-down arrow next to View. Choose Restore. A window will guide you through the process. Select the date you want to restore to, so QuickBooks knows exactly which snapshot to use. Take a moment to double-check that that date aligns with the point in time you want your books to reflect. If prompted, review any on-screen notes and confirm your choice. During the restore, it's best to avoid making changes in the company until the process completes. The time it takes can vary based on the size of your file. Once the restore finishes, open a few key reports and recent transactions to verify everything looks right. If you ever want to review your backups again, return to the settings icon, choose Backup Company, and you'll see the same list of snapshots and restore options. That's it. You've turned backups on, verified they're running, and restored your QuickBooks Online Advanced data from a chosen date with confidence.